Hello listeners, welcome to my class. I am Shoma Chakraborty, Masters and B.Ed. Today the topic I am going to discuss with you is the circulatory system. Now, why is the circulatory system of so much importance? Because the circulatory system helps to provide the required nutrition and the oxygen to each of the cells of our body, without which we cannot survive for a single day. It doesn't only provide the required nutrition and oxygen to our body, it also helps to remove all kind of waste material which is a byproduct of the respiratory system to our body. Now, what are the main parts of the circulatory system? First one, the blood. First one is the blood, which transports the nutrition and the oxygen towards every cell of our body. Next, the blood vessel. Blood vessels, veins and arteries through which the blood travels to provide all kinds of nutrition, oxygen to our body. And next is the main powerhouse of the circulatory system, which is the heart, which helps. This is the heart, this is the human heart, and it helps to pump the blood to be oxygenated, purified, and carries all kind of nutrition towards our body. So the topic I am going to discuss with you is the circulatory system is of so much importance. That is why. Next, this is the picture of the human heart. First, we need to know what are the main parts of the human heart. First one here. So firstly, the human heart is divided into two parts. First one is the right side and the second one is the left side. In the right side, we have the two chambers. First one is the right atrium. Second one, right ventricle. Here is the left atrium and left ventricle. So this is the main four chambers. After that, we have the four main valves. First one is the tricuspid valve. This is the tricuspid valve. This one. Next one is the pulmonary valve. Pulmonary. Third one is the mitral valve. Mitral valve. And the fourth one is the aortic valve. And here, this is the superior vena cava, and this is the inferior vena cava. IV represents the inferior vena cava. So, this is all about the main parts of the heart, which helps to pump the blood from different parts to the different parts. Next one, how the blood flows inside the heart we need to know. First one, that is the superior inferior vena cava, helps to bring the deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. From right atrium, the deoxygenated blood, this is the here, this is the blue part. It is blue color because it is a deoxygenated blood here inside the right atrium. From right atrium, with the help of the tricuspid valve, it is carried or ejected into the right ventricle. And from right ventricle, with the help of the pulmonary valve, it is carried to the pulmonary artery, where it is being transferred to the lungs and where it is being oxygenated and ultimately emptied with the help of the pulmonary veins inside the left atrium. And from left atrium, it is also transferred to the left ventricle with the help of the mitral valve. And with the help of the mitral valve, this is actually the red color because it is the oxygenated blood, and it is then transferred to the left ventricle, where again it is transferred with the help of the aortic valve into the aorta and after onto the body. Here these are the pulmonary artery, which helps to carry the blood to the lungs, and these are the pulmonary veins left and right. This is the aorta. Okay, so firstly deoxygenated blood comes into the right atrium, then it comes to the left ventricle. Sorry, this is the right ventricle. After that, it is carried to the pulmonary artery. Then after that it is being oxygenated and comes to the left atrium. With the help of the mitral valve, it is carried to the left ventricle, and after that it is carried to the aorta with the help of the aortic valve and onto the body. So this is all how the blood flows throughout the heart. Thanks for watching. This is all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.